Hey there, and welcome to Steph Saves Money. I'm Steph. It'd be weird if I wasn't. Anyway, I wanted to take you on a tour today of my apartment and give you a preview of what frugal living actually looks like. I feel like I've been actually watching a lot of YouTube videos lately about frugal living, 10 steps to get to frugal lifestyle, 10 ways to save money, frugal grocery saving, the list goes on. But I really do feel like there is a lack of what people actually live in and where we are in a frugal lifestyle. I think it's glamorized and people kind of assume that we have a lot more than what we really have. And I wanted to prove that that's not really how it is here. I am going to give you a tour of what my apartment looks like so you can see what frugal living really looks like. Spoiler, it's not going to be with a camera walking through my apartment. I actually had some fun using a program called Homestyler, and it's a free program that you can use to do space planning and house plans, whatever you want. And I just wanted to explore that program for fun and ended up using my apartment as an example to mock up. So since I did that, I thought, well, hey, I already have all my furniture kind of drawn in here and what my space looks like. Might as well share it with everyone and let you know what all of you can aspire to when it comes to frugal living and what that could look like for some people if you don't know what that really means. So without further ado, here we go. We're going to kick into it. I'm just going to screen share and let you see my space.
I am sharing my screen in Homestyler now and wanted to show you what frugal living might look like. So I live in the upper apartment of a house. It's a 2-unit house split between upper and lower. And the upper unit here is a single bedroom apartment, stairwell up to the living room, kitchen, bathroom is where it kind of opens up at. And then you come through to the back, and that's the bedroom here. So this is really the front entrance. I don't have the stairwell drawn in, but this is the front door downstairs here. Let's pretend. And then we're walking upstairs. Here's the landing, and then you're into my apartment. It's approximately 640 square feet. I have lived here for about 5 years now, and it served me well. I love that actually on this side of the house is all open area and grass and open field. We get a lot of animals actually, some deer, turkey. We have a gopher in the backyard too, and a lot of things. So yeah, but this is what I think frugal living can look like. And if you're trying to downsize and think you can't, you can. I came from a 2-bedroom, small office, full kitchen, full living room apartment. And that was my space before this one here. So I probably had almost twice as much square footage with the other apartment, but I knew in the end I needed to downsize. I needed to get rid of some things. And I know that having less truly means having more. So that's what I chose to do. And I have not looked back and I don't regret it at all. I really, if I could, would probably live here forever, but they don't allow pets and that's a big deal. So anyway, let's move through to the 3D of what this space looks like. So I want to show you it with furniture here. Again, this program that I use is Homestyler. It's free online. I just had to sign up with an email. And yeah, I was able to kind of mock up my whole apartment in here. So I just wanted to go through and show you again, like, yeah, this is my apartment. This is a pretty close representation of the furniture that I have in my space and what it looks like. So my living room, I have a couple of chairs and tables. This is where I'm sitting right now. As we speak, I'm sitting at my desk right here, looking at my computer screen, showing you this video. And I've got my couple of windows behind me. There's another living room window that I have blocked by my sofa because it's a smaller room. There's also a closet on this side of the wall. I have a couple of hanging mirrors over there, and then our TV is over on this wall. I got a lamp. Yeah, plants too. These plants are actually where you see them in my drawing. I actually have more than this than that's in this room. So into the kitchen combo dining room. Yes. So I have a very small, awkward, actually carpeted kitchen. And this stove is just shoved up against the wall. There is a big vent that goes to the outside right here, which is nice and rare to find in an apartment that it vents to the outside or exterior. So that is nice, I will say. But yeah, I do have this dining table. I do have another office chair here. This is actually where my partner works at. His computer and laptop can be set up here. And I have additional shelving in my kitchen because you saw the cupboard space. There's not a lot of cupboard space. So I have gotten strategic in what sort of appliances I have. Because really, I have my whole coffee maker breakfast station over here. And then I have my microwave and things on this side. And then this is all like a mini food pantry. And then this box and things that are on the floor, this is actually my workout area. So I have a couple of yoga mats in here and some weights in a crate on the floor. So it's a little workout space. It's encouraging to work out here. When you pass by it every day, it's like, yep, okay, got to do that. And then there is a built-in corner cabinet that I just put some of my glassware into and use it as a display cabinet. I have some of my figurines and things that I've collected, some gemstones and whatnot that I keep in there. So, and then the bedroom actually looks bigger here than it really is, and let me tell you why. This back bedroom actually has a slanted ceiling. So from here down and then from here down, the ceiling slopes and it just has kind of an open area to these two side windows. But it feels a lot smaller in this back bedroom than what this actually looks like. But yeah, I have a couple of nightstands in here, another bookshelf, there's a dresser, another chair. I have a hamper in here. My exercise ball I keep in the corner of this room. Yeah, nothing fancy. And then I do have my closet, which actually half of this is shelving to the back. And again, with that sloped ceiling, there's not a lot of room in here. There's a clothing rod here, there's a clothing rod here, and then there's just shelves at the back. And but it's not floor to ceiling. It's only maybe 2.5 feet tall of shelving before the ceiling cuts into that space and I can't really do anything with it. Stairwell area. I do have my grandmother's sewing machine in here and a little rocking chair and things. Couple of windows in the stairwell too. Oh, I forgot the window that's in the bathroom. There's a window in here. But yeah, I have my clothes hamper here. That's what that's representing, my toilet. And I do keep stuff behind my toilet here. It's just an open space. Little shower, tiny shower. This bathroom was actually remodeled. It was way worse when we first moved in here. We ended up going on a trip for a week, and were able to have this bathroom remodeled, but it's still kind of a small bathroom, but it is way better than it was. This used to also be carpeted like the kitchen, so you can imagine how much fun that was. Now it is a nice ceramic tile, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, just to show you, I wanted to prove and show like this is what frugal living could look like for some people, and this is what it looks like for me. We don't need here a ton of space. We've found that this functions for me and my partner. We have our spaces that are dedicated to our workspaces, and then our bedroom, again, we don't have a TV. We have one TV. This just also shows that I don't have a ton of things. I don't own a lot, and that's on purpose. I don't want to own a lot. So I have pieces that mean a lot to me, like my grandmother's sewing table that I do not use. It's just a piece of furniture to look at and set things on. But it means something. It has sentimental value. So I'm going to have that. my partner actually, he has more guitars than this one. He has them in our stairwell. There's a little shelf in our stairwell here that, yeah, he has some guitars that are from his grandfather. And yeah, again, those means something to us. So we hang on to those. But as far as everything else goes, this sofa was a hand-me-down from a friend. This table, as well as the table that was in the bedroom, I got for free from a previous boss of mine when I worked at a retail store. Wow, almost, yeah, 10 years ago now. So those were from her. This coffee table I bought from Goodwill for maybe $15, and it has a big crack in it. I don't care. It is what it is. These chairs are actually two slingback chairs from IKEA. And again, I got those from a previous coworker that I worked at a place, 10 years ago or so. These two tables here I got for free from a previous job I worked at. This little ottoman actually is the adjoining type ottoman that matched the sewing table. I reupholstered it, made it match in my living room a little better. Okay, my desk and storage here, as well as my entertainment system, are still here from my college days. So those were actually pieces that I bought, flat packed furniture. It's cheap stuff, but hey, it still lasted me, and I don't mind the look of it. It's a little beat up, but they're fine. The dining room table that I have in here is actually from my parents. So I grew up with this dining room table. They inherited my grandmother's, and then I inherited theirs, basically. So that's been with me for a long time. These shelves, a friend moved, so I took them from her, and those are now the shelves that I'm using as pantry storage. The other bookshelf over here, a friend of a friend was moving and he couldn't take it with him, so I took it. This dresser was also from my grandmother, kind of a, hand-me-down, and I really want to keep it. It's a mid-century modern dresser. I got this chair for free. It's actually just a little office chair. It looks nowhere near as cute as this chair in this program. It's just a little 4-leg black chair, mesh back. I have a rocking chair, and then again that other end table here, those I got from a previous coworker. These two nightstands were mine through college. This bed is, honestly, of this whole space, as I'm really thinking about it, the only new item of everything in this apartment is my mattress and box spring. That is the only newly bought item in this entire apartment. And even that, I bought this when I worked at a furniture store, so I got it for 50% off. Yeah, was it still a huge investment for a mattress? At that time, yes, it was. It was a huge investment. But every night I go to bed, seriously, I love my bed so much. I cannot tell you more how much I love my bed. And it was actually made from a local manufacturer here. I know it was the best investment / only investment I've made in my entire apartment here. Other than possibly some of this technology, like my laptop. I also have this monitor that I got, again, from a previous client. She gave it to me for free. She didn't even want it anymore. She just wanted me to take it off her hands. And I said, sure, why not? I guess the only other investment would be my partner's laptop we invested in so that he can get his music business going. So we upgraded his laptop. I have found a way to be frugal in everything that I've done. I don't know how not to be at this point. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you and prove that, I don't have as much as people might think I have. And it's okay. I don't want to have any more than this. It's really not necessary.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that preview into my space and what frugal living looks like. Again, I don't have a ton by choice. I think that it's important to understand that a frugal lifestyle means living a little more minimalistically. Living a more minimalist lifestyle. Living minimally. Take your pick. Anyways, I appreciate you being here, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell if you want those notifications. I do want to try to post a video once a week. Sometimes I fall short of that, but if you do have any ideas or again want to like this video, 500 likes, I will show you my real apartment. It's really not much different than what you just saw here. So Anyway, have a great day, and I hope that you continue to save day to day through your frugal living.